loves, it's Caitlin. Today we are making my easy and delicious peppermint bark. It's only 4 ingredients and it's no bake, making it the perfect Christmas treat. And if you're vegan or dairy free, I'll show you how to make it that way as well. This recipe is the perfect treat to enjoy yourself or gift to your friends. To start this easy recipe, we're going to create our peppermint topping. Place about 8 candy canes in a plastic bag and crush them using a rolling pin. Make sure to break them into small pieces so you don't hurt your teeth biting into the bark. Now, we're going to need 12 ounces of either dark or semi-sweet chocolate. I'm using a dairy-free kind and I'll link it in the description. But you can use whatever kind you like. Just remember, the higher the quality of the chocolate you use, the better the bark will taste. Let's begin melting our chocolate in a double boiler over low heat. We can create a double boiler by using a bowl over about an inch of simmering water. Since the chocolate is being melted by the steam and not directly touching the heat source, it's less likely to burn. If you want to go above and beyond, you can temper your chocolate using the seeding method I explained in the description, but I don't blame you if you want to keep it simple. Once our dark chocolate has melted completely, we're going to pour it on a parchment-lined sheet pan and smooth it out flat with a spatula. Smooth it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Now, we're going to need 16 ounces of white chocolate. Begin melting the white chocolate in a double boiler. Once melted, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now let's fold in some of our crushed candy cane to the white chocolate. Before the dark chocolate becomes firm, we're going to pour the white chocolate on top so the layers can adhere to one another and don't break apart once cooled. Smooth out the white chocolate with a spatula and then sprinkle the remaining crushed candy canes on top. Set aside to cool until completely firm and set. Then cut the bark into pieces and enjoy. And there you go, that is how you make my easy peppermint bark. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to more Christmas recipes like this one. Check out more videos over here and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you and I will see you next time.